Gold, since yesterday so far, traded within the range, respected beautifully the levels. See this line we drew, and I told you why this line is important, why 1852 is the only selling position. Gold touched the line, touched the 1852 levels and have bounced back since then. This is the beauty of analysis here. Now, what to expect today from gold, which position you should take and how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Today, we will be having couple of swing entries. There are a couple of data points coming in from US. First is the PPI data coming in from US at 1 hour before the US session, and the core PPI and the PPI data definitely will bring little volatility into gold's price. And then later in the day, the FOMC minutes which the world will be watching, and this is going to couple of hours before the US session closing. You can check all the live data updates at forexfunda.com. This is my own platform where you can check the economic calendar, check all the market data, and the charts are directly coming in from TradingView. You can find out all the data is available, all the indices, commodities, everything is available on this. So yes, couple of swing positions, couple of swing points will be there today in gold, where definitely there will be volatility when the data will be released. So we have to trade with caution. Now let's have a look with the help of chart what to expect. Now see, first of all, this consolidation, then a breakout. Now again, same consolidation, and then you can expect a breakout. Now this breakout can lead the prices higher. How high? We can look forward to see once it stays above 1865. We are looking forward to 1868.70 is also one of the nearby resistances, but largely I will be looking forward to 1870 273 as the first target and 1880 as my next target. Yes, these are achievable, and beyond 1880 is also possible. The greatest resistance for gold beyond 1865 levels are at 1880 1885 levels. These are going to remain great resistance. Now, if you look at so far what it is doing, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average sitting at around 1859.58 and trying to rise here. And if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with so much of divergence, so much of bullishness, but it can continue to diverge more. We have to watch out closely. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to looking at 2-hour charts, you can note higher lows are getting created. So far, lower highs are also seen here, but it is mostly staying bullish. See, one bullish candle, one red candle, and then series of bullish candles here. Now this is signs of definitely bullishness intact. At the same time, see this consolidation and the rise, consolidation and then the breakout might bring more bulls out here. Now if you look at the MACD, it is divergent. Not MACD, but the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are trading with divergence and bullish. If you look at a stochastic, this is near to overbought. MACD, now this is important. MACD has just crossed over, and this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels here. This can probably lead to slight retracement. Now if you see a retracement before the data points, possibly that may call for the rise later. Now see, there should be a wave, that is my expectation. There should be a wave, which means possibly there should be a retracement where one can expect 1850 levels, and beyond that more bearishness may prevail, but yes, a slight retracement, then a rise is what I will be looking forward to. RSI has dropped here on the 2-hour charts. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, the moving averages have just crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. And see, this is where the crossover has come in handy. This zone is going to remain a great support, 1848 1855. This is going to remain a great support. This crossover has come after a long time on the 3-hour charts. See, it has stayed bearish since this crossover, too much of divergence, and now it has crossed over and it is looking upward. This is a good sign for the gold here. Possibly we may see the bullishness intact. See, 1860.59 is the first support zone now, below which you can expect 1854.55 and then 1847.48 levels. Yes, these are definitely good support levels. Stochastic rising. Now this is the point of concern, that the MACD has just crossed over, and you should note that, see, this crossover is coming at a slightly elevated level, and the crossover has just happened, so possibly this calls for a little retracement on the downside, and hence we have to watch out more closely. If it retraces before the data points, possibly a rise later can be expected. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 4. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, 20-50 period moving average crossing over at 1850 levels. Very, very good support is getting created. Consolidation, then a rise, then a retracement, then a rise. Now, if you look at, if you just connect the dots, it is trying to stay in this bullish channel on the 4-hour charts, and thus 1854.55 is going to remain a great support. And now we can look forward to, on the upside, 1875 levels and 1880 levels can be the top of this channel, and it may possibly try to achieve those levels here on the upside before retracing. So 1880 again is again remains sacrosanct for us, and it is going to remain greater resistance today for gold. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green and it is still staying bullish, not showing any signs of retracement here. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to the, now if you look at daily charts, see, first of all we have to observe the 20 period moving average, and this top of the trend line here is sitting at close to 1867 levels. Yes, these levels are going to remain a key critical level here. First is, yes, gold can achieve 1867, that is clear. Yes, there is a strong probability that we'll be looking forward to for gold to achieve these levels. Second, it is going to get greater resistance here, that is also very, very clear. Now beyond 1867, I will be looking forward to 1870 to 1880 levels, and these are achievable levels. Now look at the candles here, swing here, then a red candle with a swing. It has started flat, possibly in my observation we can see similar size of candle. Now when I say similar size of candle, you can look forward to 1850 to 1862 here, and from 1860 to 1872 here possibility exists for this, and in fact a little rise or a little wick on the upside creating lower highs here at 1878.80 is possible today. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is trading bullish. It can recover. Now see what we have seen on the 4-hour, 3-hour chart, that it is in slightly elevated levels. On the daily charts, it is almost at bottom, and the crossover is seen here after lot much of bearishness, and hence again we can expect a bullish candle today. RSI coming out of the oversold zone and trading comfort. Now looking at this, see, today you can, first we'll talk about the selling prices. You can sell at 1859, but remember 1854.55 levels first resistances, 1850.52 second, and then we can look forward to 48 is also there, but I will largely look forward to 1844.45. And any point of time, if you see gold staying below 1844.45, you can look forward to the next target at 1840, and then it will fill the gap at 1835. Now 1835 is the gap filling exercise which it may try to do if it continues to stay on the downside. Now see, as and how it graduates on the downside, staying below 1850, more chances will be there that 1840 levels will be achieved, and then the gap will be filled. But in my expectation, I will be still expecting it to stay slightly, and hence as long as 1850 is not breached, I will not be treating this as bearish. That is clear. Now on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1862.5, 1863 levels. Expect 1867. Now 1867 is a mandatory target which it might achieve today. Beyond 1867, the next target is 1872.5, 1873 levels. 1872.73 complete is a good resistance, and then I will be looking forward to 78.80. The chances for it to achieve 78.80 exist strong, and from those levels possibility of it to retrace a little exist. Take your trades accordingly. If you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video. You can be part of my Singles group. You can join the Team Forex Funda. My own platform, forexfunda.com, provides you all the data relevant for you to trade, whether be it economic calendar, be it the charts, be it the live analysis and discussion forums. So everything is available at forexfunda.com. Just visit the site and get the most out of it. See you again before the US session update, before the PPI data update. Do watch that analysis as well. Happy trading. Thank you. And yes, before leaving the video, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Thank you.